So after login, let us add a new product. We will go to the product. We will go to add a product. I will add a new product over here. Instant noodles. I will add a new product, instant noodles. Let us leave the SKU as blank. It will auto generate the SKU. Units is in packets. Brands. Let us keep it as empty. Categories. I will select that food and groceries. Okay. So if you want to manage the stock for a particular product, like I want to know how many stocks are present in my warehouse, or like how many stocks are present in my shop, or like how many stocks are present in a particular location for this particular product. So I have to check this manage stock option. So by default this option is checked. So if you don't want to manage the stock, you have to uncheck this option. If you want to manage the stock, then you have to check this option. So I have, by default it's checked, so I will keep it as checked. You can set an alert quantity, like when the stock goes below this alert quantity, it will show me a alert that the stock has reached below the mentioned quantity. Enter the price over here. I will save the product. Okay, so I have saved the product. Let me search it over here. Okay, so this product has been added. Let us click on the view of this product. So in stock details, you can see like the product stock details. It is showing me the current stock is at 0.00 packets. So let us go to the stock report. Here we have the stock report also. Okay, here also it's showing me the current stock is 0. The current stock value is 0. Total units sold is 0. And all these are 0. Since we newly added this product, all the values are 0 over here. Let us add the stock for this particular product. So there are two different ways in which we can add a stock. Like if suppose we are transferring the stock from a old system to a new system, like if you are transferring stock POS, then what you can do is, yeah, like you can add the product, you can add the stock by clicking into add or edit opening stock. Okay, so here I can add a opening stock for this particular product. Let me add the opening stock as 10. Like I have 10 quantities left, so I will add the opening stock as 10. It will automatically calculate. Let me save it. So after saving, if I will click on this again, so it is showing me current stock is 10 packets. Similar thing, if I will go into the stock report, it will show me the current stock is 10. The current stock value is $1,000. Since the purchase price of one packet is like $100, we have set it as $100, so it is showing me $1,000 as the current stock value. So let me go into the POS screen. I will add some sales for this particular product. Let me select the product as instant noodles. I will add the sale of 5 quantity. Okay, I will click on the cash. So the sale has been added, like it should deduct 5 quantity from the stock. Let me click on this again, view product details. So here it will show me that the current stock is 5, current stock available is 5, total units sold is 5. Let me go into the stock report. Similarly, it will show here the current stock available is 5, current stock value is 500, total units sold is 5. Okay, so here we have like added the stock using opening stock. Like what the second can be done is, like if suppose we are purchasing this instant noodles from some supplier, then we can go to the purchase and we can add a purchase for this particular product. So here we have a purchase status. Like if we have already received this particular all the items from this particular purchase, then we have to select it as received. If you have not received it, then we have to select it as pending, or like if we have just ordered it, we have to select it as ordered. So the stock will get only added when we have selected the status as received. So I will select it as received. Instant noodles, I will again purchase quantity. I have to enter the purchase quantity. Let me enter the purchase quantity as 50 packets. Okay, so I have added the purchase quantity as 50 packets. Let me save it. and I will go to the list product over here. And in the list product, I will click on this again, and here it is showing me the current stock is 55 packets. Like I have added 50 as new purchase, and previous stock was 55. So it is showing me the stock value as this one. Total units sold is 5 packets. Similarly, we will see the same thing in the stock report as well. So let me just go to the POS screen once again, and here I will select the product as instant noodles. So we have total 55 quantities available in the stock. Let me just try adding 56. So if I will add 56, it will show me only 55 packets available. Like it will not allow me to sell more than 55 packets. So let me just add as 55. And if I will finalize this invoice like using cash or multiple pay, then this stock will get deducted. But here we have two more options, like we can select it as draft or like we can select it as quotations. So if suppose we want to give a quotation to some customer, then we can like click on quotations. So what this quotation will do is like it will not deduct the stock from our software. Like we have only provided the quotation to the customer, and like the stock will not get deducted. Let me just try clicking on this quotation here. Okay, I will go to the stock report once again, and I will search for this product instant noodles, and you can see like the current stock available is 55. Stock value is this, total units sold is like it is showing me total units sold is only 5 packets here. Let me do one thing. One thing. I will click on the recent invoice, and this was the recent invoice which we added. Like let me edit this invoice, and I will finalize this invoice. Like the invoice which we provided as quotation to the customer, I will finalize this invoice. I can click on cash or multiple pay. Let me click on multiple pay. Like this one is 500. Okay. If I finalize this one, like so, we have finalized the sale for this 55 stock of instant noodles. So if I will go to the stock report, let me refresh the stock report. No, 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 sorry. Actually, I have clicked on this finalize invoice, and let me let's click on this quotations. Okay, I made a mistake. Like actually, I edited the finalize invoice itself. Like here we have final quotations. I have to click on the quotation. I will. So here the quantity is 55. Let me just finalize it by clicking on the cash button. Okay, so we have finalized this 55 instant noodles. So I will click on refresh here. So here you can see like the total stock available is 0.00 packets. Current stock value is 0. Total units sold is 60 packets. So that's all. Like if you want to give a quotation to some customer, we can like click on the quotation and we can give a quotation. The stock will not get deducted. If we want to finalize the invoice, we can click on the cash or multiple pay to finalize the invoice, and like the stock will get deducted. So in this way, like the software, it will manage the stock for like all the sales stock and all the purchase stock, all the opening stock for a particular product. And like another thing is like if suppose we have multiple locations or like we have multiple branches for a particular shop for our business, then it will manage the stock according to different branches. Like here it is showing me the location is awesome shop. Like here I can go into the settings, I can click on business locations, and I can add another location. So when we add another location, what will happen is like let me just add another location. Let me click on business locations. We add another location as location 2 and save this one. Okay. I have added another location, location 2. I will go to list products. Let me search for instant noodles. And here you can see the like it is not showing me the stock for like location 2 because the stock available is 0 for location 2. So let me just go to add or edit opening stock. Okay, so here it is also is not showing me like the option for location 2. It is only showing me location is awesome shop. So what we have to do is like we have to assign the location. Like previously we only had one location. So this product is only available in that location. So what I will do is I will click on this checkbox and I will add to location. Okay, I will click this one, add to location, and I will add it to location 2 and I will save it. Okay, so here you can see like in the business locations, it is showing me awesome shop and location 2. I will click on the view again and here also it is showing me like that. I will go to the add or edit opening stock. Okay, so now you can see like it is showing me the option for location 2. Like it is showing me option to add opening stock for location 2. I can enter the quantity opening stock in location 2 as 50. I will save it. Let me view it once again. So here you can see like it is managing the stock differently for different locations. Like for current stock available in location awesome shop is 0. In location 2 the stock available is 50 packets. And like while selling we can select the locations, like while locations from which location are we selling this particular stock. Similarly, like when we are adding a new purchase we have to select the location, like what is the location. So here it is showing me business location. Like I can select awesome shop or I can select the location to like in which location do I want to add this stock for this like for this particular purchase. So that's all from stock management. So in this way like you can manage the stock. So you can also access the report by going to the reports and stock report. Here we have the stock report. It is similar to that report. You can access the like the stock report over here.